Okay, next we go to the. Okay, I just finished sharpening this Charleston. Now I'm gonna sharpen this Galaxy. Okay, I'll put the Charleston aside and start with this 1K Gritomatic. Okay, it's dull or to kill the edge just now. Why, if you may ask, I dull the knife before sharpening. Yeah, some if you use your knife, your edge may the metal at the edge may be fatigued, so it's best that you remove the fatigue metal before you start your sharpening. Okay, it's better to remove it rather than you have it on the edge, and then when you sharpen your knife you still have a weak metal on your edge. So when you sharpen it and you get it to sharp and you still have weak metal, so your knife will get dull faster. That's why I like to kill the edge, blunt the edges, or remove a little bit of metal, just a little bit, by rubbing into the sharpening stone. It's no, out of a habit, I like to do it. 1K and then 6K Suehiro Cerax. Okay, now I'm starting. Okay, I like to start slow to see the edge while I hit the edge. Okay, I don't scratch anything rather than the edge. Okay, you need to say I hit the spot, I hit the correct angle. If you are learning, scrub it in, see, scrub it, see, you can do that. If you are still learning, okay, go slow if you are still learning, no rush. It is not a race, okay? You just want your knife to be sharp. Rest if you must. Okay. I know, before I've been there. If you are learning to sharpen, you're stressed out. You're holding the knife, so don't stress out. Just loosely but control the knife. Okay, move it slowly. Okay, move your finger along the edge. I used to do it. See it? Move it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't count, okay? But if you are learning, you can count. You see? Let me show you the Suehiro build. So this is the edge. No scratching, only the edge. Okay, that's how you know you have a good control of angle. Okay, and put you here. Continue. Always check for your burr also. I have a burr at the tip, not so much here, not so much at the heel. Clean your stone and continue. That's why I move fast, because this is 1000 grit stone. if you want to build up a burr fast, you use a lower grit, 240, 500, 600, because I don't need just for filing. That's why I start with 1K. You can use your lower grit stone first. No harm to do that. You will get your burr faster. So for me, this is my speed. Okay, if you're learning, go slow. Go slow. For me, this is my normal speed. You will develop your speed as your technique. Now I got my burr already. The speed will come when you have dialed in your technique. When you dial in the technique, your technique is perfect, the speed will come. Okay, no need to rush. For me, yeah, this is my speed. That is the speed that I sharpen. Okay, I got a burr already up, so I switch side. Got a burr here, all the way to the tip, and the edge. No scratching here, only the edge. Okay. I'll spend more time here. What is that? Oh. What is that? Oh, I think the microfiber from the towel is here. That's why. Cleaner stone, if you feel there's foreign, I mean some grittiness, clean your stone. Okay, it's better to be safe than sorry. Burr. Now I flip. Burr. I flip the burr. Flip side. The burr's chain side. Flip it again. Flip it. I like to do the burr minimization on the first stone so that I don't have to spend so much time on the finishing stone. It's also to what do you call that? To minimize the time I spent on the if you want your edge to look nice and you have I mean you need to achieve certain luster, certain finish on your edge, you want to spend your time on your higher grade stone, do it. But I like to do it on the lower grade so that I know that I weaken the burr. During my finishing, I spend less on that higher grade so that I won't polish the edge too much that I don't have a bite on it. Okay? That's where I'm doing a minimization on the lower grade stone. Okay, now I switch to the 6000 Suehiro Cerax. Also, the higher grit stone, it's if you are not experienced and you put your knife, it feel like glass. Okay, it's slippery, and you can, if you are unable to hold your edge, you might round your edge during this higher grit stone. Okay, feel the edge. The burr is that side. You hear the crunch sound? It's a burr crunching on the stone. Turn off. This is a good stone for what do you call that? Deburring. You can easily deburr using this stone. I have flipped the burr. Because you see how easy it is to flip the burr when you already done the you weaken the burr using the lower grit stone. Okay, flip it, your knife. Okay, you can see it's bent from here to there, right? That's okay. Okay, there's a burr, some burr on the tip. Okay. It and show you the edge. Do you see some luster to it, the edge? Now let's do the cut test to see. I'm sure there's still burr on the edge. Okay. But it's already sharp. Just that to refine it using the strap later. Now I know I have this. I used 4 micron. Now I know the edge is sharp. Only minor burr on the edge, and strop it to remove the remaining burr. That's the sound of my cat, and my daughter just wake up. Morning, morning, Dede. Morning. Okay. Okay. Switch over to the 1 micron. It's good practice that you wipe your edge first before you switch over to your next drop. You don't see eye. push down, bear down on the stroke. Okay, just put your angle, find your angle and move it. Find your angle and stroke it. Find your angle, edge trailing. Okay, find your angle, set your angle and move it, edge trailing. That's how you do it. Some people stop at a higher angle. Some people bear down on the strop. For me, I like this too. It's better to do it as slightly as possible so that you can control your angle and not around your edges. Okay. Clean, slicey. Okay. Sharp. Let me take you closer to the edge. It's better I move the knife than to move the camera. Yep. There you go, guys. Zulu Kilos signing out. Okay, I just finished my knife sharpening. I think I haven't shown this. After finish my sharpening, I will clean my stone. Okay. I clean it using some small Lagura stone. This is I think it's 800 grit. Just to remove the marking on the stone left by the knife. Just do it like that. Some sort of stone maintenance also. You can minimize the high and lows on the stone by doing that. Okay, after that you clean it. Clean the stone and ready for the next sharpening. Here also still have some marking. Here's the Nagura, there's a small stone. Clean it. Yeah, you don't have to go. You don't have to clean it so much that you remove unnecessary. Yeah, that's about it.